In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trezor to MacBook. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Connecting your Trezor to a MacBook is a simple process. I'm going to showcase what I believe is the most direct way to get this done, and you will be able to use your Trezor alongside their software to send, receive coins, add new ones to your wallet, and so on. This will be primarily done using a cable. So in order to safely and securely connect your Trezor to a MacBook, use a USB cable. So you plug one end of the USB into the Trezor device. I'm showing off how to do this with a Trezor Safe 5, but the same process will work with any other model. And the other end of the USB cable goes into your MacBook. There's no secret to this. Upon connecting the Trezor, it should get detected, and now to utilize all of its functions, you will have to download Trezor Suite. Keep in mind that you might have to approve the connection on the Trezor screen, so if you see any sort of prompt, make sure that you choose yes, or you input any necessary details, for example a password. And like I said before, I recommend downloading Trezor Suite. Inside of this application, you will be able to detect your Trezor, so it is going to appear listed. So this is how it looks like. It will appear at the top left corner of the screen, and you will be able to set up wallets for different coins. So you can click the plus sign here, choose which coin you would like to add to your wallet, and now you will have the main options of sending and receiving. You can find the options to trade, buy, and everything will be available through Trezor Suite. Like I said before, this process will work with any model of Trezor. You will be primarily connecting it using a USB cable, and once the connection is established, it should be detected and approved to be used with your MacBook. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Trezor to MacBook. If this video answered any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.